Cheryl Foster oedd yn arwain y tîm dyfarnu, blaenwr i Fangor a Lerpwl enillodd 63 o gapiau rhyngwladol i Gymru cyn troi at y chwiban.
Having played, it just gives you an idea of where the trigger points could be or where the flare-ups could be or where the ball will go next, and you sort of get a feel for a game anyway as a spectator, but as a former player you sort of have more of an idea of what may go on or what might happen. I've been ambitious and I've been striving to do as well as I can as a player. There's no difference as a referee. The top level in the men's game is the Welsh Prem, and as a FIFA women's referee, of course, the ambition is to referee in a major tournament, and the next one would be Euro 2021. So I can only do what I can, keeping fit, do my training programmes and obviously in my assessments in games doing as well as I can.
If you've got the talent, you can get to the top a lot quicker than you can in the men's game. So there is a carrot there. And who would have thought, I'm sure Cheryl thought when she started up sort of 4 or 5 years ago, she'd be refereeing World Cup games.
With my brother and my dad being referee, my dad told me to take the course and I passed, and now I enjoy it. When I first told my friends that I was becoming a referee, they were like, well, don't you have to be a boy? And I was like, well, no. And so I don't think a lot of people know that you can be, but obviously we can show that you can.
Dwi wedi gael rhain troi dweud, paid â siarad y fel a dy nas di. So mae'n dibynnu ar y tîm yma hefyd ag y competition neu faint o pwysig ydy'r gêm I nhw ar y diwrnod hefyd, dwi'n meddwl.
It's a massive afternoon, and this is a Tier 2 Cup final between two very evenly matched sides. And the important thing to note is that the team have got the appointment on merit. It's not, it's important to say it's not just a gimmick to get 4 female referees. They've all got the game on merit. It's a historic landmark for the game in Wales.
Mae'n neis I ni hefyd gael gweithio fel tîm oherwydd diom yn digwydd yn aml, yn enwedig gêm dynion hefyd. Wel, os da ni'n gael stick heddiw yma, gan I weld.
Mae pressure I beth. Dal yn ddim yn nervous fatha bob un gêm di wneud, ond na, di yma. Di enjoy a game, gweithio pwy arall enjoy a game.
The most important thing is it's their game. We're here to sort of take control of it and deal with any issues that come about, but as a player, I wouldn't want the referee to sort of take the limelight. We just want it to go as well as we can, and both teams playing well, but the third team, the refereeing team, doing their job as well.
Roedd hi'n gêm brysur I Cheryl a'r crew wrth I sawl cerdyn melyn ac un cerdyn coch gael I dangos. Mae'n rhaid cael cicio'r smotyn I rannu'r tîma ac wedi I Jack Challoner fethu i'r Flint. Gallai Kyle Smythe fod wedi ennill y tlws ond methodd ynta hefyd. Wedi 9 cic yr un llwyddodd Nicky Lee Bulmer I arbed cic Matt Cole cyn I Andy Brown gipio'r cwpan o'r diwedd i'r Flint.